Hello, this is Distinguished Toastmaster Priscilla Dias. Welcome to Kuwait Challengers Toastmasters Club. Today we have with us Distinguished Toastmaster Roshan Lewis, who is here on a visit to Kuwait to attend the 300th meeting of Tampa Talkers Toastmasters Club. Grabbing the opportunity, I'm here to ask him about his expertise in Toastmasters. Distinguished Toastmaster Roshan, welcome to Kuwait, welcome to Kuwait Challengers Club. Tell us something about your Toastmasters journey.
Thank you very much, Distinguished Toastmaster Priscilla. It's a pleasure to meet you. Yes, my Toastmaster journey was very interesting. I joined Toastmaster in 2018. Accidentally, I stepped into Karnataka Club Toastmaster for a YLP program. And one of the members came to me and asked me, why can't you come for the next meeting? That next meeting changed my life in Toastmasters. So my parent club was Karnataka's Toastmaster Baron. From there I started my journey. Today almost 5 years. I am really enjoying. Members like you and many made this journey more compassionate and more enjoyable.
What progress have you seen in yourself from 2018 since you joined to now?
Yes, absolutely. That's a very good question. When I joined Toastmasters, I saw there are two aspects of learning. One is communication journey, second is leadership journey. I took leadership journey more, that was my more passion. So I started immediately VPPR for my club, VP for next year, and then I became area director, then I became president. So as a leadership journey, I learned a lot of things. One, as a Toastmasters, always stand and propagate the core values. That's very, very important.
Absolutely.
The respect to each other, integrity, and the excellence. Once you excel, you can always give service to Toastmaster. So that sticking to core values, which made me my journey very passionate in Toastmaster. Second thing, interacting with people, different types of people. We are all here for a common cause, and the support what people give you as a part of leader, that's amazing. So I learned, how to network and connect with people. Today, any activity we have to do, one call to one member, they said, yes, ready, we are there. So that support I earned in Toastmasters. So that leadership journey. Now I'm also, meanwhile, I was doing my Pathways project. So communication also started developing. Today, I feel I am better communicator compared to 2018.
Distinguished Toastmaster Roshan, you have seen the benefits of Toastmasters from the communication side as well as the leadership side, and you have developed both your communication and leadership skills. You have also been the ambassador for Pathways. You are the expert, as we know, in Pathways. Tell us more about Pathways so our members are aware of what Pathways is.
Many people call me and we have not started Pathways. So my answer for them, start Pathways immediately. For me, Pathways is an amazing education program. You have different styles of projects. Just get into that. Yes, sometimes using technical platform, it will create some difficulties, but it is not difficult as you think. It is very simple. All the details are there on the Toastmaster dashboard, including how to open, how to operate. All videos are available. Apart from this, we have many Toastmasters always help you. So once you start your first speech icebreaker, which helps you to connect with your audience, how to script a simple speech about yourself. Then as you go deep down into Pathways program, there are various projects. Like you want to create a wonderful podcast. Today social media is very important aspect. And you want to create a podcast, there is a program. You don't need to pay and learn. It's Toastmaster teaches you freely as per your membership. And you want to create 20-25 minutes, you want to speak in public. There is a project in level 5 which helps you how to speak professionally for the bigger audience and larger amount of duration for 20 to 25 minutes. So if you see Pathways, go deep into it. Every project has designed to meet the modern area communication and leadership aspects. So this is what I want to make it very clear to people. This is the most advantageous in Pathways education program.
Thank you, Distinguished Toastmaster Roshan, for letting us know what Pathways is and how simple it is to navigate on the Toastmasters website. And it is designed for us to develop our skills, to take our skills to a higher level. Look, for example, right now this podcast is a part of Level 4 project from the Pathways. So thank you so much for being a part of this podcast and for letting us members know that Pathways is the program for us to develop our communication and leadership skills.
Before I conclude, I want to thank the couple of Toastmaster DTM Kajitan and DTM Priscilla. Both of you are doing amazing service to Toastmaster community. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.